Hey everybody, today I've got something special because I've been trying to plot and scheme up some ideas of what kind of content I want to make, and today is going to be a kind of fun but also an educational video, I guess you could say. Now, you might be asking, where are we going today? Because we're in the car. Today, we're going to the library. Today, we're at the library. And I know what you're thinking. We're not here to read dumb books like this. We're here because we've got something to do on the car. We've got to put one of these on to my car today in the parking lot of the Springfield Library Center, okay? So let's go get into it. Alright guys, today we're going to be, like I said before, changing our stock intake onto a cold air, and we're at the library right now. It's pretty much the best place. It's quiet, easy, so yeah, let's get into doing this cold intake modification. Alright, let's get to work. Step 2 is done. This is so gay. Okay, well, whoever put that hose clamp on, your mom is gay. White shirt, but whatever. YOLO. Also, now's a good time to plug my merch. If you comment your name, your social, and something you liked about this video, you'll be in a chance to get a shirt. So how about that? How about them apples? Okay, we've now got a step 2, part 2, which is retrieve the 1/4-inch ratchet I dropped underneath my 800 degree turbo. So let's get after that. Okay, that was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be, so mission accomplished. On to part 3. Which is not losing this ratchet again. That is why you have a flex head ratchet right there. There we go. Part 3 accomplished. All right, now I think we pretty much got everything apart. I think it's ready to go back together with the Freshie. Also, shout out to NorCal Dynamics for hooking me up with the Black Forest Juicy Burst gummies. This is a sponsored video, but don't tell them. Oh damn, it's all crushed. Look at that. Oh well, I'll show you it. Okay, step 4 is gonna be harder than the previous steps because I have no clue what I am doing. Surely it can't go that way unless it goes down farther, but then it has to be boxed on that side.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and today I'm going to show you how to...
The camera? Yeah. It's really actual case. Now some people don't use this.
Don't film this part. I know what I'm doing.
Okay. So guys, the next bit is just to remove this component of the...
Okay.
Where
is it?
I can see it.
Okay. 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 Okay.
They supply you with new.
A few moments later.
There's a stud. Yeah. There we go. Money. Let's go. We gotta speed things up before the cops get here. Alright. Now we're moving double time on step 5. And we got the box in halfway. We got everything tightened down here. Now we just need to put our mass airflow in and button up everything else. And I think we'll be cooking. Leave me alone! You ever heard of Ladero? That's what he says. He says, leave me alone!
Rocks! Leave me alone!
Okay, we're going back a step. So we've got the pussy on. And that's for making power. And we care about power. This is too much. I think that's not over. Okay. Here's we're going on part 5 of part 4, I think. I think we're getting close to getting the box done. Now we got part 6, step 1. Wait, no, we got step 6, step. Let's see. Honestly though, I might just get it together. I think someone just didn't drill the holes right. I bet it's supposed to be right here. Oh, maybe that's why. Oh, maybe that's how it's supposed to seal. It's supposed to go farther back. Okay. Okay. Touche, NorCal Dynamics. Oh, let's go. That's a W in the chat for not losing that tiny nut. Oh, why'd I grab 2 bolts? Oh, I don't know about that one. My hands are too big. What's an alternative to that? Isn't okay. Yeah, I definitely should have wrenched that in first. Bro, you're late.
Put the map on now?
Yeah, but I wasn't thinking. I forgot the old one was plastic, so I tried to put the course thread back in and snapped it. Let's go! No codes! Is my GoPro on the roof? I can't remember. I think it is. We'll see. Oh well. I want it to go stu-tu-tu. Okay. Okay, I can tell a little bit. I can hear a little bit. Guys, moment of truth. Let's hope it makes some cool noises, or at least makes a little more power, at least, or something. Let's hope something we get out of it. I just need a car beside me to freaking make it sound good. Gosh dang, bro. Sounds crazy.
Oh, there I heard it.
It's loud. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today at the Springfield Public Library Center, and on this edition of modding my car in places they shouldn't be. We put the cold air intake. We ran into a couple issues. We snapped the bolt. We lost the bolt, but in the end, the car sounds so good. So make sure you leave a like down below, leave a comment. Like I said, you know the deal. If you watch through the whole video, you know the deal in the comments. So share with someone if you feel like you should, and until next time, have a good night.